Monday morning fabrics. Yay, Monday morning. We're going to start. These are mostly all viscose and cottons. I don't think we have any blends at all. This first one is 100% viscose. This is that charcoal color, but it's got a pattern on it. And that pattern is really beautiful. It's woven into it, kind of like a reptile. It's very, very pretty, very soft. And yet the fabric is light enough, and it's a woven. It could easily be a blouse, but it could be a jacket also. It's one of those fabrics that can go kind of either way in between. So I brought a bunch of friends that would do really beautiful with it if you decide to do a jacket. This first piece is just, it's just a beautiful piece. You know, it's got an olive kind of cast to it, but you see the charcoal in there and the pink. So that's what we kind of based it around these two knits, these two prints, because that's what you want to do. You kind of want to pick your prints first and then pick your solids that go with it, and bam, you've got your whole thing. And they're new for spring. The muted tones are just beautiful in this. It's kind of an olive green grayish background, and then you can see all those colors. This is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. The drape is incredible. I don't have to tell you that. You can see it. It's just pretty. It's just pretty. This is a cotton linen. And it is beautiful. It is beautiful. It is a woven, and it's just a pretty piece of fabric. It has cotton first, so I don't know the percents, simply because they just put cotton linen. But again, beautiful. The jacket, the POM for this month, it would be gorgeous. It is a twill weave, so you get a very casual feel out of it. Very pretty. This I put in because it just blends so beautifully. You can see the olive, and again the charcoal that goes with the first one. So just the whole thing just kind of really works together. That poppy color is incredible for spring. It's all over. And of course this is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions also. And of course what it does is it lends us to our star fabric here, our beautiful poppy. This is a poppy, it's a denim. A true denim has actually one white thread and one colored thread. This has both colors are in the same, both threads are in the same color, but it's a twill weave. So we get a very denim-like feel to it. This is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. It's 100% cotton. Isn't it beautiful? Just really, really beautiful. This would be great for the POM. That great poppy jacket would be adorable. And then I put a woven with it. These are both knits. And so I brought in a woven that would go with it beautifully, so that you could, this is 100% cotton, and it's just a gorgeous blend to this poppy color, and then comes back in, really it can go to the olive or the gray. It's kind of that mid-tone color. But those are your Monday morning fabrics. They're beautiful, they're lovely, just so much fun. And we know we have lots of cold left. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.